So today I'm doing an open house in Northeast Sacramento, and I wish you could be here with me. But since you can't, I thought you could go on a virtual open house tour with me today. So let's go take a look. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to stay informed about the current market in the greater Sacramento area, then please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. My name is Carla and I'm with Gold Group Realty, and I would love to have the opportunity to help you find your new home in the greater Sacramento area. So please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath home that's 1,180 square feet, and it's just been brand new built. It's been a rebuild, but it's been taken down and started over again. It sits on almost a quarter of an acre, and it has 2 bedrooms with 3 baths. And both bedrooms have an ensuite bathroom, and then off of the kitchen there is a half bath. So let's go take a look. So as we enter the front door, you will off to your left see the living room with an entertainment center up there against the wall. You can see the lighting that goes over it, and you'll see the window that gives you a view of the front yard and the street in the front of the house. You'll see a little shoebox over here and a coat rack. And let's turn it around here, and you can see this side of the living room with the chairs as you walk in the front door. Over there in the corner in the back, you can see a sliding barn door, and that takes you into the half bath. It's just right off the living room and the kitchen. And here is the kitchen with these beautiful quartz counters. Isn't that beautiful? And a stainless steel refrigerator with the built-in cabinets all the way around it. And here's a very nice window that overlooks the sink with a little bay window so you can put your plants up there. There's some beautiful cabinets back in here, and the laundry facilities are right off the kitchen here. So they have some cabinets there, and you can put the side-by-side washer and dryer. And this door goes out to the backyard. We're going to take a look at the backyard right now. So as you can see, the owner still has some things that need to be removed, but we are looking at a 5-car detached garage right here. And back here is a little shed in the corner, and here's the lot, the backyard lot that just needs some lawn planted and has a lot of potential. It's on almost a quarter of an acre, this property. So here's the steps going up to the sliding glass door that we saw right by that half bath. All right, let's go take a look at the bedrooms now. We'll stop here at this little half bath in the hallway, or in off the kitchen here. So there's the sink area. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms. So the first bedroom onto your left, here's a closet door that's mirrored with a nice window that overlooks the backyard. And here is the first bathroom that's in this bedroom. There's a shower area, toilet, sink, and there's a medicine cabinet right there that you can actually open and store things in. Beautiful white cabinetry. Let's go take a look at this second bedroom. So you can see hardwood floor throughout the house. It's just beautiful. And this window overlooks the front yard and the crepe myrtle tree. It's right out in front. Let's go take a peek at this bathroom. This has just a shower in here, a shower stall. Here's the sink area, toilet area, the shower, this built-in shelving unit. Head shower there. And here is a walk-in closet off of this bathroom. So a little built-in shelving unit right there, and some shelves that go around the top, and over here to the left there's some more shelving as well. Well, I hope you enjoy your open house tour with me today in Northeast Sacramento. If you'd like to have more information about this house or any other houses in the greater Sacramento area, then please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. And until then, I will see you around town.